Now I would like to do an episiotomy to medium BD upon crowning. So first, I would like to give a lidocaine 10 to 15 ml at the perineal skin, perineal muscle, and also vaginal mucosa. And then I would like to put my two fingers, which is my index finger and middle finger, in between the perineal muscle and also the fetal scalp to protect the fetal head. Then I will proceed with cutting perineal at the medial lateral direction, which 45 degrees away from the anus. And then I will proceed with the vaginal delivery. After complete the vaginal delivery, I would like to do the episiotomy repair, which first I would like to identify is there any laceration or any extended tear, and also identify the effects of the episiotomy. Then I would like to give a local anesthesia along the suturing side. And then I would like to start the episiotomy repair by starting at the 1 cm above the apex towards the vaginal opening. And then after finish the episiotomy repair, I would like to do a vaginal examination to look out for any clotting, and also to do a digital rectal examination to look for any suture in the anal mucosa. That's all.